Alrighty, guys. It is here. The 2022 Seiko Melodies and Motion Collector's Edition is here. I'm sorry I stumbled on my words. So, let's start unboxing it. There we go. I'm gonna put that there. Go and get the box out the way. Alright, this is where it is in this main box. Let's go ahead and check her out. Also, before this even continues, I want to point out a little image on there. They didn't have that on my 2024 Seiko Melodies Motion Collection Edition. Here is the manual showing everything right here. There actually has a knob on it where you can adjust the volume, if you see right there, and where you can select the chimes. I believe this plays classical melodies like my 2024 Seiko Melodies in Motion. This is not a 2024, it's a 2022 model. What do you know? It comes with batteries. Yep, it does. Ugh. Oh, dude, this plastic is hard to open. Alright. Brand spanking new. Alright. Well, I found the batteries for it. So now I'm gonna go ahead, put that here. Can I peel this off? Yes, I can. I'm gonna peel these stickers off real quick. Alright. Sure. Well, I dropped the battery. That's what y'all just heard. It was a battery. Thank God it wasn't the clock. I'm gonna put this here. I'm going to need the other panel. That is something I am going to need. Okay. So I'm going to slowly put it down. And have the volume up. Okay, carefully. Alright, so that is the first battery. There's the second battery. Go ahead and close this up now. Put the cover on it. Dang it. I put it on backwards. Okay. Now. Okay, let's see. Yep, it is now running, if y'all could even see that. I have it on, yep, to the very top. And now, let's go ahead here.
Who's that? Oh,
Okay? And that is it for the unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there will be a full video on the chimes of this clock.